Hi, I'm Bob Riddle of Riddle Realty, and I would like to tell you a little bit about the home that we've got here on Tepee in Rainbow Valley near Goodyear, Arizona. This 1,531 square foot house has 3 bedrooms and 2 baths. It has a split floor plan, the master bedroom being on one side and the kids' bedrooms being on the other. It has a 2-car enclosed garage and an inside laundry area. This house is on almost an acre of land, and we're selling it for $249,900. This house has a special financing program that allows for 0 money down, 30-year fixed financing at payments of around $1,400 a month in principal and interest. If you have an interest in this property, especially if you're a trucker or a person who loves horses or animals, give us a call. Bob Riddle, Riddle Realty, 623-936-9105, 623-936-9105, or on the internet at www.bobriddle.biz. That's www.bobriddle.biz. And thank you for your time.